Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emmanuel, and in this video I'll be walking us through how to use the subtotal function in Microsoft Excel. Now, before I proceed, if you are new to this channel and this is your first time of watching any of my videos, I would like you to kindly go below this video and click on the subscribe button you are seeing. So when you click on the subscribe button, also like this video so that when I release new videos, you are going to be notified about it. So in this video, I'm going to be showing us how to use the subtotal function in Microsoft Excel as opposed to the sum function. So now this is a data set, a fictitious data set. We have the serial number, the names of employee, the department or unit, the basic salary, the bonus and allowances, gross salary. And then we were told to calculate the total salary, the total gross salary. We were told to show the total salary filtered by department or unit. We were also told to show the staff with the highest salary in each unit or department. How can you answer this question using Microsoft Excel? Let's get started. Now, the first thing a lot of people will say is that this gross salary is that you can actually use the sum function, which you are correct. So you type equals to SUM, open a bracket, then you tap on this first one, then you left click, and then you drag. Left click and drag down, then you press enter. Okay, so let's check it. So this is our answer. This is how you can calculate for the sum. Now, a much more interesting thing is that you can actually use the subtotal function. Some people will say that after all, the subtotal function and the sum function does the same thing. Now let me show you the uniqueness of the subtotal function. So you come here and say equals to SUBTOTAL. This subtotal. It says return the subtotal in a list or database. So you just double tap on it. Now in the subtotal function, there are two arguments that are there. We can see it on our screen. The first argument is the function number, and the second argument is the reference, that is the item that you want to calculate. So in the function number, they have given us a list of functions here. We can see a list of functions here. So now we are interested in knowing the sum, because the first question says calculate the total gross salary. So I'll just double tap on this sum, which is 9, which is coded as 9. Just double tap on it. So this 9 here represents that I want to actually perform a sum calculation on Microsoft Excel. I'll put a comma there. Now it says reference number. Reference number is just the list of the item you want to sum. So in this case, it is here. Click on here and highlight your data set. So when you are done with that, close your bracket, press enter. You can see we got the same answer. The subtotal and the total actually got the same answer. Now some people say that why do I need to use subtotal function when sum function can actually do all the magic? Now let's check the second requirement of the question. It says shows the total salary filtered by department, and it says shows the staff with the highest salary in each unit or department. Now this is where subtotal function uniqueness comes into play. So what you do is that before you can filter you want to show the total salary filtered by department or unit. Now some people will say we use the sum if function, and subtotal function will do the magic. All you just need to do is to click anywhere inside your data set and press Ctrl T. Ctrl T means table. Then check. The thing you can do is to press Ctrl T, but then let me just show you a better way of doing it. So what you do is that you tap on this first place, you left click and then you drag, then you highlight all your data sets. Once you highlight all your data sets, go to insert, then you will see tables, that is Excel tables. Then click on it, you see Ctrl T as well, then you click on OK. Now the data will be converted into a table. So now the data has been converted into a table. Now that's not where we are even going. We all know how to convert the data into a table, and if you don't know, I just taught you that. Now highlight your data set and go to insert, then click on tables. Okay, so now our data has been converted to a table. Now what is the interesting thing? It says shows the total salary filtered by the department. All you need to do is to come to the department and deselect all. Once you deselect all, let us say we want to know the total salary that the total salary, the total gross salary of all the employee in the customer care department. So you just click on it and you click on OK. You see the customer care unit has been filtered. Now see the total. The total remains 1,926,600. However, the subtotal is just 243,000. You understand? And the total is just so the subtotal is just 243,000. That means that the subtotal only adds all these ones that are visible. That's the flexibility of the subtotal function. Now notice that here is column 4. There's no column 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 11. There's no column 12. But sum function is still adding all those data that we are hidden. In other words, sum function will add both hidden and unhidden rows of the data. But subtotal knows how to filter all this data. That's the uniqueness of the formula. Now let me show you another interesting thing. Let us say we want to know those that are only in the finance or accounting department. Just watch, and then I click on OK. The data has been filtered. Notice the subtotal again is now 313,600. Can you see it now? Can you see the uniqueness of the subtotal function? Let us say again, I want to know only those that are in the human resource. I click on it, then I click on OK. You see, the subtotal has changed again. So you can see it right now. So that is how you can, that's the uniqueness. So let me select all again and click on OK. You see, the subtotal will return back with the total. So that's how subtotal is more superior to sum function in the case whereby you are trying to filter data. Now let us look at the second usefulness of the subtotal function. It says shows the staff with the highest salary in each department or unit. Now again, in the subtotal function, let me delete what we have before so that we can understand. So in the subtotal function, like we did it before, equals to SUBTOTAL, subtotal, then open a bracket. Now this is the function argument. Now what are we looking for? Show the staff with the highest salary, and to calculate the highest range of number in Excel, we use what we call maximum function. So you just double tap on it. That's 4. This 4 means that we want to know the highest, that is the maximum. Highest is for maximum, then for minimum, we have highest for maximum, then for the lowest we have what we call minimum. So you put comma. The reference number is just the list of numbers we are looking for. So, and the list of numbers we are looking for in this case is gross salary. So I will just hold my Ctrl Shift down arrow to highlight everything. So I've highlighted everything, then just press enter. Now you notice that the highest salary in this place is 107,000. You see, 107,000. If you check, is 107,000. Now it says shows the staff with the highest salary in each unit or department. Now that's the uniqueness of subtotal again. Subtotal function helps you to calculate a range of data in a range of values in a data set, and helps you to and have a way of adjusting it when you filter it. So in other words, when you are trying to filter a set of data and you want to know the actual total, or you want to know the actual maximum or minimum or average or whatever, subtotal is your go-to function. Now let's say I want to filter this. I will deselect all again, and I want to filter this by internal audit unit. I want to know the staff with the highest salary in the internal audit unit, the amount. I'll just click on OK. You see, it is 98,000. That means that 98,000 is the gross salary is the highest gross salary in the internal audit unit. So you can see it now. So whenever you are trying to filter a data set and you are trying to calculate the range or list of items, the best function you can use in that case is the subtotal function. So like I said, guys, if you are new to this channel, I want you to click on the subscribe button so that when I release new videos, you are going to be notified about it. So that is how you can use subtotal function in Microsoft Excel. If you found this video useful, leave a comment below this video, like and share this video, and I will see you in my next video. God bless you.